Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Carbon monoxide is a silent, odorless, and colorless gas that poses a serious threat to our health and safety. It is produced by the incomplete combustion of fuels and various household appliances, such as furnaces, stoves, and water heaters. Without a reliable carbon monoxide detector, it can be challenging to detect the presence of this deadly gas, as its effects often go unnoticed until it's too late. To ensure the well-being of ourselves and our loved ones, investing in a high-quality carbon monoxide detector is essential. These devices are designed to provide early warnings of elevated carbon monoxide levels, enabling us to take immediate action and prevent potential tragedies. Number 5. ACJ Carbon Monoxide Detector. As a safety-conscious individual, I recently invested in the ACJ carbon monoxide detector for my home. Given the importance of safeguarding my family from potential carbon monoxide leaks, I wanted a reliable and efficient detector, and this model seemed promising. Here's my honest review of the ACJ carbon monoxide detector. Design and build. The detector boasts a sleek and compact design, making it easy to install on the wall or ceiling without being obtrusive. Its minimalist appearance allows it to blend seamlessly into any home decor. The build quality appears sturdy, indicating it should last for years to come. Setup and installation. Setting up the ACJ carbon monoxide detector was a breeze. The package includes clear instructions, making it simple to understand the installation process. Since it does not require any wiring, I was able to install it myself within minutes. Number 4. HARWEST CM100 Carbon Monoxide Detector. As someone who values safety and peace of mind, I recently invested in the HARWEST CM100 Carbon Monoxide Detector, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in every aspect. This sleek and compact device ensures the safety of my home and loved ones by effectively detecting the presence of carbon monoxide, a silent but deadly gas. First and foremost, the HARWEST CM100's build quality is impressive. It comes in an attractive white color, seamlessly blending with any home decor. The device feels sturdy and well-made, giving me confidence that it will withstand the test of time. The straightforward design makes it easy to mount on the wall or place on a flat surface, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. The CM100 is a smart choice for those who prioritize safety, without the need for a complex smart home platform integration. Though it lacks smart connectivity, this simplicity is one of its strengths. It operates independently, relying on its advanced code detection capabilities to keep you and your family safe from potential threats. Number 3. ACJ-CO999 Carbon Monoxide Detector. First and foremost, the setup process was a breeze. The packaging came with clear and concise instructions, making installation a simple task. I was able to mount it on the wall within minutes using the included mounting hardware. One of the standout features of the ACJ-CO999 is its high sensitivity to carbon monoxide. It can detect even the slightest traces of this dangerous gas, ensuring early warnings in case of a leak. This level of sensitivity provides me with peace of mind, knowing that my loved ones are protected from potential co-poisoning. The device comes with a clear and easy-to-read digital display, which shows real-time carbon monoxide levels in parts per million ppm. This feature allows me to monitor the air quality in my home at a glance. The display also indicates the device's status, making it easy to confirm whether the unit is functioning correctly or requires attention. Number 2. TYIYEWH Carbon Monoxide Detector. The TYIYEWH Carbon Monoxide Detector is an essential safety device designed to provide peace of mind and protect households from the potentially deadly effects of carbon monoxide gas. As a responsible homeowner, I recently invested in this detector, and I must say that it has exceeded my expectations in various aspects. First and foremost, the build quality of the TYIYEWH Carbon Monoxide Detector is impressive. The device feels sturdy and durable, assuring me that it will last for a long time without any issues. Its compact and discreet design allows for easy installation on any wall or ceiling, blending well with the overall aesthetics of my home. Setting up the detector was a breeze. It came with clear and concise instructions that guided me through the process. The included mounting hardware made installation hassle-free, and within minutes, I had the unit up and running. Moreover, I appreciated the fact that it doesn't require any smart home platform integration, as simplicity often translates to reliability. Number 1. ZUIDID JSNJ908 Carbon Monoxide Detector. As a safety-conscious individual, I recently invested in the ZUIDID JSNJ908 Carbon Monoxide Detector for my home. and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with its performance and features. First and foremost, the ZUIDID JSNJ 908COM is a 2-in-1 gas detector, meaning it not only detects carbon monoxide but also natural gas. This dual functionality provides me with added peace of mind, knowing that my household is protected from both potentially hazardous gases. The design of this detector is sleek and unobtrusive. It fits seamlessly into my home decor, and I appreciate that it doesn't draw too much attention to itself. The visual indicators are clear and easy to read, with a bright LED display that signals the presence of gas and the current status of the detector. Thanks for watching this video.